Motivation. Today class is about motivation. You already know about the motivation. See, this picture says that the person with a good motives or good motivation drives, that person will get development, will get incentive, get power to work, and he will get to good opportunities when he develop a motivation in his personal life or in throughout his life. He successfully lead his goal, reach his or her goal. He will give the support and he accept all the challenges and finally he reach the determination goal. Okay, this is the motivation. Okay, let us discuss about the next 20 minutes. We discuss about the motivation, introduction, meaning, definition, features, types. Okay, this is the first section: introduction, meaning, definition, features, types. This is the first section. That is the class one or part one is about. We know about introduction of the motivation or meaning of the motivation, definition, features of the motivation. Features means characteristics, and types of motivation. This is all very very important. And next class or next 20 minutes is about need based theory. That means Maslow hierarchy of needs theory, basic theory. Okay. Next, importance of motivation. Now is class about introduction. Okay, introduction. What is motivation? Can anyone? You already studied in first year psychology subject. See, motivation. The word motivation is derived from motive. Derived from motive. Okay, motive, motive, which means an active form of desire. That is the activity. Okay, activity, and there is a good opportunity and craving a need that needs to be satisfaction need, and that move the person to create interesting. For example, you take the motivation by looking by seeing the Abdul Kalam biography picture. Like you take Abdul Kalam life story or life history, you take it as a motivation. Okay, there's different types. First, the basic introduction, that's the motivation. That word comes from motive. Meaning of motivation, it's the one of the key elements required to maintain dynamic academic culture in an educational institution. Okay, we are all working or we are all studying in one of the educational institution. Okay, I focus the what is the motivational need and motivational components types in the educational institution. Motivation is one of the key element. Okay, motivation is the one of the key element that required to maintain the dynamic academic culture. Dynamic academic culture marks good. Okay, score good marks, taking good first class marks in an education institution by facilitating effective teaching learning activity or TL process. Teaching learning process. Teaching means teacher teaching the subject or teaching on topic or content, and learners actively learning or actively participating in that contest. Okay, both learner and teachers are required to be motivated to attain the best possible learning outcome. Okay, here in the education institution, both learners and teachers, they both are to be motivated and to be forcefully work and show the interest. They have to show the interest on what are all the working towards the successfully completed his goals. That is successfully reach their learning outcome. Definition. This is 2 marks question. Definition. According to George Hartery, motivation is the desire within an individual that stimulates him or her to act. Okay, it is one of the desire goal. Okay, motivation is one of the desire and one of the goal within the individual, one of the interest. Desire means also call it as interest goal, like that. Within individual, within the person, that stimulates, that motivates, okay, that pushes, okay, that pushes, that goal, that desire, that interest among the within the individual or among the individual or the group that push or stimulates the that person to act in the field, or act in the personal life. It is according to George Hartery. I am giving two types of example according to George Hartery and according to Robert Dubin. You take any one of whatever you see, you take and you buy at this one. And first you understand and then buy it. Next, motivation is the complex force that makes a person to start and keep working in an organization. Okay, it is not simple term, and it is not a simple force. It is the complex task. At a time, the person working as a, for example, the person is working as a nurse, staff nurse. For example, staff nurse is in the hospital. You work as a nurse, and you work as a role manager and caregiver and caretaker, and some of the different works, some of the different complex work will done by the staff nurse in the hospital. This is one of the example. Like that, the motivation is the complex force that makes a person to start to keep working. Okay, to start. Before we starting or before we going to act any programs or any organizational works, before we need starting point, ending point. Okay, before we start, we have to take some motivation. Before going to study about final year examination or final examination, board exams, before we study, okay, we have to concentrate on future. Oh, what is the use of this study? You have to concentration like that. You have to take the motive like that. You have to take. Okay, you will definitely take that motivation at the time of the examination. Tomorrow is this subject exam. What is the use of that subject? After this exam subject, what are my programs or my activities? Like that, you study. You make a good marks in the final exam. Okay, this is the motivation to start. Before starting any work, you have to take the motivation or interest. You have to show your interest and keep working in an organization. You have to keep working. You have to keep working, continuously work for that institution or organization. Features, some of the characteristics of motivation. It is an internal feeling which prompts the person to act. Okay, this is internal feelings. Motivation is built in the individual from internal feelings, showing internal internal thoughts, sharing internal ideas. It is an ever continuing process. Okay, it is not stoppable, it is continuous process. Motivation, it will start from the birth and it ends till the death. It continuously continuing process. When you start one work, you finish the work with completeness of the good work. It is a dynamic process. Okay, it's dynamic process. It varies among the individual at different times. Okay, it is not 24/7. You not at all in the motivation period. Okay, not at all in the motivation mind. Sometimes time. Okay, there is different times that leads to the person to create a motivation, person or individual. It's different, varies among the person. 5 years child, there is different type of motivation, and 10 years, 11, 13, 20, 30 years, 40 years, 50, 60, like that. There is different age groups, there is different times, there is motivation is varies. Motivation will be varied. Okay, it could be positive or negative depending upon the way by which it is developed. Okay, it could be a positive motivation or negative motivation also. Positive means you are all have to write the final exams. That is the positive. Right? Attend the this one interview, attend the software department interview, and have to select it like that. That is the positive. Negative means you have to go to the bank robbery. You have to take the one of the motives in seeing or watching the old movies. Oh, this is the idea, this is the plan for tomorrow. Planning the robbery in the bank, like that. That is the positive also, negative also. Okay, it is depending upon the situation or depending upon the way. Okay, depending upon the development section. Okay, Features of motivation. Next, types. This is very important. Types of motivation. Okay, in this last year they asked this types of motivation is 5 marks question. Explain the types of motivation. This very interesting also and very important question also. Okay, there are 4 different types of motivation that can impel people to act. Impel means introduce or force, that can force the people to act, that can show the interest people to act. There is 4 different types of motivation. See this picture. Here, external and internal, that is source. Source. The motivation is where it is start. Where it is start. External or internal. Internal means person's inner thoughts, inner start that cannot express it. I tell what is that one now. Internal means internal action, internal feelings. The person is not share the type of feelings or thoughts or mood that is internal in the mindset or in the heart, in the mind. That is the internal feelings. External. Okay, external feeling or external source. The person is showing that or sharing that ideas or sharing that feelings or sharing that thoughts. That is external. External means person is doing. Internal means person is not at all doing and not at all showing that motivation. That is the meaning of internal source and external source. Here is the action. In the font size big font size, that is the action. Action means person is starting work. Okay, person is working, that is the action. Non-action means person is not at all doing, not at all nothing. Person is nothing doing. Person not at all doing, silently is maintaining the this one motivation. It's not at all doing. That is the non-action, not acting, not acting. See, first type external action. It is called extrinsic motivation. External non-action, that is identified. External action, extrinsic, that is extrinsic, outside, that's showing. Extrinsic, the person is showing the motivation to others, that is extrinsic. External non-action, that is identified by others, identified by your friends, by your neighbors, by your parents, like that. That is external non-action. Okay, they know your capacity, but you don't know. You don't know you don't know your capacity. Your parents know your capacity. That is external non-action. That is identified by your parents, neighbors, friends, etc. And third type, internal action. That is intrinsic. That is intrinsic feeling. Internally you are acting but unable to show to others. That is internal action. Next, internal non-action. That is introjected, locking, rejected. Okay, rejected. Interlocking. You know what is all going inside, but you cannot express your feeling. That is introjected. Locking, rejected your feelings. That is introjected. Now we explain one by one. It's very interesting. First one, extrinsic motivation. It comes from outside us. We do it because we are impelled to. For example, because we are told to by someone who has power over us. Its extrinsic motivation comes from outside. Okay, it comes from outside. We do it, that one. Okay, we do the work. Okay, for example, many employment motivation system work on the principle of extrinsic reward, where people are bought and then commanded and built. This is the effective for simple activities. It is less useful when you want a person to be a self-driven. Okay, this is extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic, that you are showing your impelling or introducing your external action. Okay, you drawing some picture, that is your external action. Drawing some good picture on the wall, you will get some reward. You are showing your activity, you are showing your achievements, you are showing your motivation, or you are showing your interest, and you are showing your talent. You will get some reward. That is extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is done for internal reasons. For example, to align with values. See, I am giving example. Don't copy this type of example. You create your own. I am giving this example for your understanding purpose. For example, to align with values or simply for the hedonistic pleasure of doing something. See, in work, The people are inspiring the leader, intrinsic. You are in the childhood, you are watching a good movie like Amitabh Bachchan Sholay movie. You are watching, oh, I am the Gabbar Singh. That is your feeling internally. You are motivating, intrinsic. Internally, you are motivating by the working for inspiring leader or in areas where they have a personal interest. You are creating your motivation, but you are unable to express that feelings. You are watching, you're internally, you are fighting. In internal, in mindset, you are fighting. I am the Rajinikanth, or I am the Amitabh Bachchan, I am the Abhija, this one, Abdul Kalam, I am the Abdul Kalam. Like that, you are internally, you are motivating, continuously you are motivating, internally motivating. That is internal motive, action, motivation, or intrinsic motivation. This extrinsic is showing your motivation or showing your talent and get some reward. In intrinsic, you didn't show, you will not show any talent. You are internally, you are fighting. Oh, I am the Rajinikanth, like that. You are fighting. Fighting. You are taking the example. And in work also, in the last movie I watched the James Bond. I am the James Bond. That like that. I'm working in the college, like that. That is feeling, that is creating some interest among yourself. That is intrinsic motivation. And identified motivation is where a person knows that something needs doing but has not yet decided to do anything about it. Okay, identified, someone identification. Person know, some person knows that something needs. Okay, you know. Okay, some person know, oh, this person is doing identification. This last time this person is doing unput bumped out. What they told, you are doing, you doing, man, you do that work. I know your capacity, you do that one. That is identification, identified motivation. They are pushing forward. Your neighbors or your parents or friends, they are pushing forward. Identified motivation is where the person knows that something needs doing but has not yet decided to do anything about it. Okay, they needs, they know how to do it, but they're not yet decided about anything. They're not yet studied about the subject. They're ready to write the exam. Others are, no, this person will marks a good score, definitely he will write the exam. That others are thinking like that. the, that person is not able to show their action. Okay, not yet decided. Oh, when not the exam, that like they are scribbling, there is confusion. That is identified motivation. Introjected motivation, this is similar to intrinsic motivation. Okay, it is similar to intrinsic motivation, but the distinctive aspect of this that if it is not done, then the person feels the tension of guilt. Okay, see, this introjected, rejected. Okay, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ some good actor, famous actor coming visiting your area, visiting your place in your village. Okay, you want to take the signature, autograph from that person. It's internal, intrinsic motivation is motivating. Go take the signature, go take the signature. But the introjected is rejected. Okay, feel guilt. Oh, jamba. That is jamba. Okay, that is feeling a guilt, tension of guilt feeling. Okay, guilt. Why me to take the signature? That person also come and take my signature. Like that, just the feeling, distinct. There is fighting inside your, fighting and inside your feeling, showing your feeling, guilt feeling, like that. That is the introjected. That's the introjected motivation. Okay, guilt and that's the guilt feeling. Committed a crime, you feeling like that. Okay, I'm doing that crime, why I am the, you have to hide yourself. Okay, you hide yourself. That you are feeling like that. The fact of having committed a specified or committed a offense or committed a crime, like that you have to showing feeling in the public. The crime person, like that you hide, and you're not able to share your feelings within yourself also and within the person also. That is introjected, internal feeling rejected. That is introjected motivation. This is about this class. The next about Maslow hierarchy of needs. Okay, this class we study about. Next is very interesting. This class is we study about the introduction, meaning, definition, features, types. It's very interesting and very important contents of topics. Here the very interesting or very marks repeatedly asking question are definition of motivation 2 marks and types of motivation, that is 5 marks. Explain the types of motivation is 5 marks, mainly focused on these 4 steps. Next slide, we going on study on next 20 minutes we going on study on Maslow hierarchy of needs. Okay.